Hello, my friend. Today I will draw Bluey meeting a giant bird with wings so wide. While waiting for the picture to appear, let's let the story glide. But before we soar, like this video and subscribe my channel, so every flight can sparkle eternal. Now I wonder, can a little pup really ride the wind high above the trees? Bluey wandered into the open field, the breeze cool and free. Shadows danced across the grass, soft as the sea. Then, whoosh, the sky grew bright. A giant bird appeared, feathers shining in light. "Hello, Bluey," the bird called low. "Climb on my back. Let's see where we go." Bluey giggled. "Yes, I'm ready to fly." She hopped on its feathers, reaching the sky. The ground shrank small, clouds brushed her nose. "Can you stretch your arms like wings as it goes?" Bluey laughed, tail wagging fast. The wind on her face made joy truly last. When twilight fell, the bird swooped down, placing Bluey gently back on the ground. Bluey whispered soft, "What a magical ride." The bird replied, "I'll be here when dreams collide. Close your eyes, let sweet dreams flow. Tomorrow new wonders will surely grow."